It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't.
And welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in another clean with me video. Today is just gonna be a productive day where I'm just gonna get all the necessities done and show you those blowing bubbles in the background. So, of course, my floors need to be washed because they're going to be covered in bubble soap. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Belle. You can find me over at Instagram at Simply Being Belle. I'll leave the Instagram handle down below if you're interested in following me over on Instagram. I post a lot of giveaways over there, some befores and afters, and it's just easier to get a hold of me there. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single person who likes my videos, subscribes, and I also reply to every single comment. But anyway, a couple things I need to get done today are like dishes, washing the floors as mentioned, tidying up the living room, the dining room, possibly the bathroom. I hate cleaning the bathroom, but I might do it anyway. No, it's just not my favorite. Chiming in from the peanut gallery. But anyways, let's get started. Anyways, here are some before shots. There is some weird residue that is sticky on my floor. The dishes need to be done over here. Those need to be dried and put away. Shiloh is still blowing bubbles. Coffee needs to be cleaned up. And the stove is very, very crummy. This stuff I need to put away. I went out into the rain. It was such a crappy morning, but you gotta make the best of what you got. Out here, Shiloh is still doing school, so I will not be doing a lot of recording with my voice, like live video. Shiloh has to get back to class. But this room I will tackle last. Out here, the guinea pig cage area needs to be swept up. Guinea pigs. Quick, 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 quick! Hi, Soda! Couch could use some tidying up. It's pretty dark in this room. So hopefully I can get that fixed with some editing, just because it is such a gloomy day. Can I do that? Yeah. You know what that paw? Hmm? No. Oh yeah. Hello, Lily. I don't want your butt. I want to pet your face. Table can use some cleaning. And then this is the current state of the bathroom. And this is why there's hair all over the bathroom. Lily thinks she's gonna get some sink water. But we got some hair and stuff all around here.
In the toilet.
Yes, and behind there. This is your fault, you know that. Shiloh has some toys on the floor. Towels need to be washed. And then once again, in here has been the center of just my hoarding of body care. So for today's video, I will be starting in the kitchen, of course. This is usually my routine where I go from the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and then the bathroom. But because Shiloh was in school, I did the dining room last. But I am just going to go ahead and do all of these dishes up. I did dry and put away the clean dishes and just made sure that all that was just cleaned up. A little bit later, I do go in with the Mr. Clean Clean Freak to wash down my sinks and countertops. This product is so amazing. I'm pretty sure I've talked about it in the last like 3 or 4 videos, but I am in love with this product. It smells amazing. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Belle. I am a mom to a little girl. I am married to my college sweetheart. We have been together for about 9 years now. But anyways, if you guys like cleaning videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family and just join me on this journey to living a cleaner, happier life. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's continue the cleaning. These sponges I got from the Growth Collaborative, and they are my absolute favorite. I use these so much. I don't think I have bought a different type of sponge, and I don't know how long, to be honest. I use these in all my videos for all my cleaning, and it was just time to switch them out. Now to tackle the sticky mess on the floor. I didn't want to sweep, I didn't want to do anything with this mess until I got it off the floor, so of course I pulled out the Shark floor steamer, and it got it off without a problem. I'm not sure what it is, I didn't want to know what it was. I probably spilled some kind of coffee or something while cooking, but it had tons of hair stuck to it. It was just a sticky mess.
Even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this.
Next, I will be moving into the living room. I'm just going to be tying up this couch. Like I said in my last video, my new couch has been delayed due to a possible COVID exposure, but we are almost in the clear. The 2 weeks is almost up. But the new couch will be here June 1st. I am so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys. One thing I have to do though is figure out how to not get my cats how to not allow my cats to scratch it, because they have destroyed every piece of furniture that has any kind of cloth on it since the dawn before time. And I have bought them scratching posts. Lily is really good with the scratching posts, but Tulip is not. She's the one that's very destructive. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with my duster, make sure that is all dusted up, and just kind of continue to tidy up the living room.
With me, turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you. And I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way
the dreaded bathroom. I hate cleaning the bathroom. It is something that obviously has to get done, but I always find myself putting it off to the last minute. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, Lily likes to come in here and we usually turn on the tap for her so she can drink out of the sink, but that just leaves tons of cat hair all over the sink, the toilet, the floor, and it's just always super messy in here. My daughter has no control when it comes to toothpaste, so I always find toothpaste everywhere, and my whole house just seems to just accumulate dust, and it is a constant, never-ending battle with dust. But anyways, I am going in with the Clean Freak from Mr. Clean, like I mentioned earlier. I find this product works really, really well in the bathroom, and it even says you can use it in the bathroom, so I prefer this over the Dawn Power Wash. I think it just does a better job and doesn't leave lots of soapy residue everywhere. I am using the Mrs. Meyers Lavender Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I like the ones with color, but unfortunately I don't have ones with color because color is really bad or something. But I'm just kind of happy this was done with. I did not end up actually having time to declutter my tub like I mentioned in the beginning, but I got everything else done. The toilet's clean, the sink is clean, and I'm just a bit relieved. I'll save the decluttering for another video when I do like a declutter with me. But yeah, let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing down in the comments below. So I was on TikTok and I saw this thing where you put Fabuloso in your toilet tank. So I want to try that right now. I currently have a bottle of Fabuloso here. This one is in the smell Lavender. And what you do is you basically open up your tank and stick it inside. Just move my gnome out of the way so you guys can see. So basically you open this up, at least according to TikTok. You take this and you put it right in. So now that the Fabuloso is in the tank, you can see that the water is now turning a light purple and it smells amazing. Moving into the dining room now that Shiloh came out here and just cleaned up all of her school stuff, this table is constantly sticky, covered in stuff. So I usually just go in and clean the table off first. That way I can push any kind of debris, crumbs, whatever is on the table onto the floor for when I vacuum. That's just my life hack, I guess. It's not really a hack, it's just something I've always done. But I'm also going to go in and vacuum and just kind of wipe down the chairs in the kitchen, but I did that off camera. I usually like to wipe them down at least once a week because a lot of stuff builds up on the bars, I've noticed. But yeah. And if you have made it this far, thank you so much. The video is almost over and I truly appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to hit subscribe. It truly helps my channel grow and it really means a lot to me. I look forward to doing these videos. They keep me motivated. And I am on this path to clean your way to happiness. I'm actually going to start turning into like a minimalist and just kind of decluttering my house to kind of clear up some space just because there is just so much stuff and I'm a firm believer of a messy house, messy mind. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me, productive day. It is currently about 3 o'clock now. It took me about 3 hours to get all of this stuff done and I still didn't end up getting the whole house done. But that's okay, I will save the upstairs for another video. But if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up if you got some motivation from it. And I truly appreciate everyone who has supported me so far. Look forward to some giveaways in the future. I have tons planned. And I look forward to talking to you guys all in the comments and seeing you on my next video. Bye!
But I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna die.